How to use Doba Dropshipping for beginners. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Snap, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Doba Dropshipping for beginners. Well, to successfully kickstart a dropshipping business via Doba, make sure to first create a Doba Dropshipping account. You can head into your page doba.com. You can either get the Doba application, or here I'm showing it on the web. You can simply tap on login option at the top right here. And once you tap on login, if you already have an account, you can simply log in using your Google or Facebook or email address and password, or you can tap on register now and go ahead and register. You can start a 30 days free trial and sign up for a free trial account as well. The second step is to choose products to sell. To dropship via Doba and make a living from it, choose the appropriate products to sell. Choose products within your niche. Doba provides a link to your store where you choose your store type or niche. To do that, you want to go to stores and select your store type, where Doba takes you to your shop's link to connect your Doba account to your e-commerce store. Then you want to pick a reliable dropshipping suppliers. You'll need to choose the suppliers who meet and keep full execution of demand and supply. That is, suppliers who manufacture, store and ship products to customers on your behalf. Then you can choose an e-commerce platform. To kickstart a dropshipping business via Doba, choose an e-commerce platform to build your store. This serves as a home where you send traffic, sell commodities and process payment. You can choose very platforms like eBay, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopify and such. Then you can finally start to promote your store. This is how you can use Doba Dropshipping for beginners. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.